Hi, it's Cars from OneTap Check-in. OneTap Check-in is designed to capture data, organize information, get analytics, collaborate, and automate your business. You can throw away those paper and pencil sheets because our software is really simple and it's really easy to use. You can keep track of all sorts of analytics about your members, customers, guests, or other people inside of your organization. To get started, all you have to do is create a list by hitting the Create List button. It's really simple and it's really easy. So I'm going to create a list here called VIP Members Event. These are for my VIP members, and I'm going to give it a time and a date. Furthermore, I can give it a recurring schedule if I want this list to be repeated. So maybe this is an event that runs every week on Wednesdays and Fridays. And our system will create a copy of this list on those days, and it will give it the appropriate name as well. For example, if I'm going to choose this event to repeat every Wednesday, I will see an event tomorrow on February the 20th called VIP Members Event February 20th. Now on to the second step. The second step is just to choose a check-in method. So a tap would just be a simple tap where you can tap on the person's name to check them in. Choose the signature option if you want the person to sign their name before they check in. Choose the photo option if you want our system to capture a photo of their face before they check in. And then the survey option lets you present a set of questions you can ask the user before they check in. You can also choose to allow checkout. This is optional. This will let people on your list check out. It's not enabled by default. And then last but not least, you can upload Excel files, which makes your life much easier instead of having to add people in one by one. Format your Excel file like this. Include a name column. This is mandatory. Every other column is optional. And we also recommend the name column because this helps our system identify unique profiles and create a unique profile entry for each participant inside of this Excel file. You can include as many other columns, and these will be treated as custom fields, which will be used by our app to keep track of other information that you want us to. When you go to export back the Excel file, we'll make sure to include all the other custom fields that you've imported, as well as include the check-in, check-out, and then the check-in time field. Go ahead and hit the upload button, and your file is going to be uploaded. You will see participants right here, and right after that, if you go enter your profiles tab, you'll be able to see all the profiles that were created from this Excel file. Profiles are a really powerful feature. You can look at the attendance for a given profile, do all sorts of query date ranges, as well as view the activities revolving around this profile, such as when he's been added to a list, whenever a person is checked in, as well as whenever a person is checked out. Furthermore, you can look at the QR codes. You can send the QR codes via email or via text message, or you can choose to download all of them and print it using your printer. Profiles can also be imported using the bulk actions here, as well as created individually by going into Create Profile.